And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set minimum cart threshold for financing in Affirm merchant. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to set minimum cart threshold for Affirm financing, you generally need to use your specific e-commerce platform settings or contact the Affirm merchant care team. So for this, all you can do is simply log in into your Affirm Business Resource Hub and use the help widget to simply reach the merchant care team. So you can simply find the question mark like icon, simply tap on it, and this will lead you to a bot like option. So you need to be prepared to provide your current purchase limit and what would you like to change it into. So once you tap on the get in touch option, you need to simply type in what are your problems, and now your Affirm merchant account will help you solve all these problems. Setting these thresholds ensure that our form is only displayed as a payment option for the card sizes that align with your business needs and the financing programs you offer. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.